Okay, this is the trail. This is... Oh, no. Ah, Mikey's coming back!
Come on! You know what? Let's do you in the front. Dude, I'm like covered.
Oh. That's what's like in reverse. This is all mud. Mud. Oh, I'm stuck. Look, I'm stuck. Are there such thing as mud mites? Oh. Okay, look, it looks like cow shit.
No,
Ooh.
I think we're covered. I don't think you're covered enough, though.
I think we might have missed a spot.
I'm like really fucking covered now.
Can you hear it? Can you hear me stepping in the shit?
It's again.
Mike's taking a leak again. Okay.
Dude, that's some clappy shit, man. That's funny.
Here's my helmet. Mike was making fun of the big... Dude, that's gloppy. That's gloppy mud.
At least when we put our shit on the trailer, it's going to be looking like we actually went somewhere.
Look at it. Can you tell what kind of four-wheeler that is? It says... What's your license plate number, sir? I don't have any idea, officer. It's covered in mud. I'm going to go hit that one more time. Okay, goodbye, everybody.